Hello, my name is Zuma Puma, and I am an international award-winning clown and creative coach. And I am also the creator of the Clown Arcana tarot deck. This is a tarot deck of the 22 major arcana of the tarot, and I've painted them in a creative process, very colorfully, very playfully, silly, with all the expression of my child innocence, of my life's experience. And I've merged all of that together into this deck that is like an oracle deck that you can play with, and ask your big and small life questions too, and gain some clarity. And I also run regular creative practice courses online and run regular clown and ritual workshops, sacred clowning workshops online and in person and in retreats. So come join me. You can find me on www.clownlife.org or zumapuma.clownlife in Instagram, and Zuma Puma on Facebook. So get in touch, come and play, come and express your life, find your playful freedom. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Ciao, ciao.